Here we go now. Time is 17:34 on Monday the 15th of September 2014. And this is for 2 Lima 75, 1742 East Midlands train service from Leicester to Sleaford.
What time do you have to go back?
Well, I might stay for the 1804 from Doncaster from Sleaford. Depends what time my dad comes to pick me up.
What time are you getting on a train?
I'm not getting on the train. I'm going back home.
Does it stop here?
No, this isn't a station.
Oh, there's a station down there.
The station at Metheringham and Ruskington.
Yeah, I've been on a train. Are we allowed to hold these? I've been on a train from the station from Metheringham. CTV cameras. There's CTV cameras.
Yeah. Then.
Can they see us now?
Of course they can. They can see you from Lincoln. So if you do anything stupid on the railway line, then you'll get into big trouble.
What, who was there?
Well, there's people here to make sure you don't be silly. Don't bother.
I can look underneath it. I'm going to go here. It's for the sharp move. Oh, if you're getting the whole thing. Yeah, John will get you. You're not going to move. Oh, so not one is in the sharp.
Don't be silly like that, because the signals will. The signals from Lincoln will think you're going to climb under the barrier, and then they'll have to put the crossing up or something. Here it is. Here it comes. Oh God, we got a 158 today. This is a 158, isn't it?
153, I believe.
Or 6, or... No, it's a 158. Yeah, this is a 158. 158's hardly ever see our line. We've got 158, 856 to Sleaford. 158, 856 to Sleaford. And I've been on a 158 about 4 times now.
Is it really fast?
Up they go.
Is it really fast?
Average speed about 80 miles an hour.
Is it really fast?
That was travelling about 30.
Well, is it really fast?
And thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Kind of, yeah.